Hey guys, it's Gwen with Elite Custom Golf Carts, and today I'm going to show you how to put an enclosure on the Denago Rover XL. When you open the box, it will come with 4 pieces, but we're going to start with this big black piece here because it is for the roof. This just throws over the roof just like a fitted sheet, and you can tell that it is the front by the fact that there is no zipper. So first, you'll just take this and throw it over the roof. Then you're gonna go around to all the corners and strap this under the roof. And make sure that once you're done putting this on, the zipper is exposed along the roof. First, you will start out with the back piece, and you know it's the back because it is the only clear piece in the box. You will know you have it on the right way because these clips for the bottom are facing towards the outside. Then we just reach up to the top and zip this on. Then you will grab your driver's side panel. You will know it is the correct side because the clips are facing out and the Velcro is pointing towards the front. And for this part, I will flip the windshield down. You will start by attaching these Velcros around the frame of the windshield. And then again, we will just zip this across the top. And it is the same thing for the passenger side. And then you will come around to the back over here and you will zip these together. And once it's on, you can clip these guys onto the base of your golf cart. And when you're not using it, you can unclip these, unzip the sides, and roll this up nice and tight so it'll go in these clips. And for the sides, you'll undo the Velcro on the front and do the same thing. But when you are using the enclosure, you can get in and out by using this zipper here. Make sure to like and subscribe to Elite Custom Golf Carts and enjoy your enclosure.